In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use M-Pesa Visa card services from My OneApp by Safaricom. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So for you to access these services, earlier on, you'll just use M-Pesa app. However, M-Pesa app is no longer in service and their services have been collapsed all in My OneApp. And here you can get both Safaricom and M-Pesa services. So go to My OneApp, or if you don't have the app, you can download it through Google Play Store or App Store to get the app. From here, scroll down and you should see My Finances option here. Under this, if you scroll, you can see we don't have the international Visa card payment services by M-Pesa. So you need to tap on View All. This will list other services that are available, but still, you can see I don't have it here. So you need to go to global payments, switch from financial services to global payments. If I tap on global payments, now you can see we have here our global pay option where you can get M-Pesa Visa card. Tap on it to start using this service. You can now generate your Visa card straight from here. So if you enter your M-Pesa PIN, now you'll be able to get the card, and as you can see, it is here. So that's how you can get M-Pesa Visa card for global payment using My OneApp by Safaricom. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.